I see you. Because these are called eyes. We've got a bunch of stuff for today. I think they're looking at me. Did you know that this turned into a whole potato plant? Nah, I'm just kidding. Wow, that's a sharp blade. I think I know how to get a mashed potato plant. You take this, ba 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 ba. Smash it up like I just did. Plant it and bam, mashed potatoes everywhere. So today we got two types of potatoes. Regular potatoes, and now we got some red potatoes. That's we've never done before. So now, I really want to find out if they make red mashed potatoes. And we're gonna plant these today.
You gotta cut them first.
Huh? We gotta cut them first, cameraman? This bad boy. Hotcha! Look how strong I am! Okay, these are really heavy. Hey guys, look! Surprise potato from last year. Hot. Bone meal. Ugh. Well, first off, this red potato has many eyes, like all of the other red potatoes we have. But the white ones, they don't got any eyes, maybe like 1 or 2 or 3. So anyways, I'm gonna use the knife to just like map out a good place to cut. Like right here, because right down there's no eyes. So I'm gonna hold it down like this and slice. And if I find another good place, maybe like right there, I'm gonna slice. So then we got that. Now we see if we can do anything else with this one. No, because we really just want 2 eyes in both, and that one only has 2 eyes. Just like last time, I'm gonna map out. Okay, I'm gonna look. That looks about good. See? Perfect. This one got 2 eyes, which is perfect. And this one got 2 eyes, which is also good. So the reason we cut these is because we want it to scab up, because if this goes into like wet soil before like this like scabs up, because this right there, that's wet, so this might rot if like it doesn't scab up. So I want that to scab up so it also doesn't rot. Okay, so it should be clear, so I'm gonna just move it around. And once I go around all the knife. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish cutting up all these potatoes. And I'm gonna wait maybe like 2 or 3 days for these to like scab up, and then we can finally plant them. Like the whole point of this video is to plant them. because we want mashed potatoes quick. And I want to see if these make red mashed potatoes. So guys, we got our potatoes and it's been like 5 days. So, we're gonna start planting these potatoes. Yeah, boy. So guys, we gave them 5 days to crisp up, and this is what they look like. Hey guys, Bobby's back. Hey, where's your face? Oh, there's your face. Bomb! Bomb! So I'm gonna take the ones with the most eyes, something like that, and put it down. We want the eyes facing upwards. And you really gotta find the ones with like tons of eyes to put first. I think we are gonna have some extra reds. So we might have to put some reds in with the whites, but that's fine. Put another red potato here. We do have some leftover red, so the red and white are gonna be mixed. And you gotta make sure that your second row is matched with your first one. Guys, we got tons of red because we still have some red left over. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna have some leftover whites. I said that that the white ones don't have as many eyes, so just choose the one with the most eyes. Like try. Okay, well that's all, and we still have tons of leftovers. So we're just gonna probably stick them in another barrel somewhere. Time to cover these up. So guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will answer them for you. So, hope you liked this, and just wait because in a couple more videos, well, when these are ready to go, we'll make another great potato harvest, which is personally my favorite. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!